Hi, I'm Bill Christensen, the VP of Smart Technologies here at M&R. And let's talk about the Hornet. Okay, let's go over some of the features of this Hornet. One of the most impressive features is this flat indexer. What a flat indexer means is this pallet moves from there to there and the screen goes up and down to meet the pallet. What that means is you get about 10 or 15% more production because you're not waiting as long for that pallet to go down before you load the shirt. Speeds up productivity, makes it more consistent, helps you with your load. It's a great feature. Now we can move over to the HMI. One of the other features on this Hornet is what we call production management. This production management will allow you to go to any one of these screens when you stop the press and give a reason why you stopped that press. And it'll record that data. Then you can take that data and transfer it into your IT department and keep records on why the press was on, why the press was off, timing, and do all the KPIs you want to make it so that you're able to record all the things that are going on at this press. What it also helps us do is it allows us to track if there's a mechanical problem and you put it in there and you record that, we can make sure that this press stays up and running as much as we possibly can make it go. One of the other features on this press is these chopper cylinders. The chopper cylinders are gradated both sides. It has imperial in inches, and then it's got metric in millimeters. It helps you to be more accurate, and again, put it on a job sheet and tell you where you've adjusted your squeegee. Another feature on this press is these micros. The micros are super smooth. You loosen them, you can move the screws back and forth, and the screen just slides infinitely. And then there's also a 0 point, and you use this bracket to 0 with a gate on it that tells you where it is also. Another really nice feature is this head plate. We're using regular cylinders and rheostats to make it so that you can control the speed on the head. And then the up-down of the squeegee and flood bar is also controlled by these push buttons. So it's a very mechanical but tried and true process, and it's a really good system.